In this video, we're going to go over this fun little problem right here. So 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 to the power of x plus 1 equals 12. So what we're going to do first to solve this is to move 12 over to the left side. So this is just going to be 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 12 equals 0. One of the exponent laws that we can use in this equation is a to the n power is the same thing as a to the n power bracket m. Using this property here, we can change 2 to the power of 2x into 2 to the power of x to the power of 2. Another property that we can utilize here is a to the m plus n is the same thing as a to the m times a to the n. So what we can do here is make it so it's 2 to the first power times 2 to the x power. Minus 12 equals 0. So now let's let y equal to 2x. Notice we've got 2x here, so now it'll just be y squared plus 2 to the first power is just 2, and 2x, we let that be y, and minus 12 equals 0. And that is just a quadratic equation. We can solve this using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is y is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. In this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to negative 12. Now let's substitute the values in there. So that'll just be y is equal to negative 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 12 over 2 times 1. Now that simplifies to y equals negative 2 plus minus square root of 52 over 2. And that is just negative 2 plus minus 2 root 13 over 2. Now we can divide this all by 2 to just get y is equal to negative 1 plus minus root 13. Now, if we remember earlier, we said y is equal to 2 to the power of x. 2 to the power of x cannot be a negative value, so the negative value does not work in this scenario. So it's just y is equal to negative 1 plus root 13. Now y is 2 to the power of x, so this is just 2 to the power of x equals negative 1 plus root 13. Now to find this, we can just take the log. So x equals log of negative 1 plus root 13. And that is our exact value for x. If we put this into a calculator, we can find that x is approximately 1.38. So this is our solution for x.